Hi guys, back with another video, short video. So I know some vending machine codes. So the short video. Well, I'm on myself. Just gonna tell you some codes. Well, so I'm not gonna tell you the codes right now. I'm only gonna tell you the codes if I get 10 likes before my school year ends. I will tell you the code. You guys probably saying vending machine codes probably don't work. I'm gonna show you the 2018 and 17 codes that will probably has to work. The 2017 codes will probably work. I'm gonna try it out one day, and when I try it out, I'm gonna show you on YouTube. Now, if you want me to show you, 10 likes, comment down below. What machine you want to do from the ice cream machine, soda machine, snack machine. I might show you some car machine hacks too to give you money, real bills, and keymaster stuff. So you want me to show you 10 likes, at least 10 likes or more. 20 views. Subscribe and comment down below. I will do some more codes. Okay, bye guys. That's all we got for today. I'm playing with my ball. Make every video some days. I make it between sometimes 2 to 7 days a week. Sometimes I just make one. So you want to take some codes? I need some likes, subscribe, comment down below. That's all for today, guys. Bye.